All I feel is blue. Black.
Hello guys and welcome back to the another video of Execute Codes. So as in my previous video I showed you the overview of my AI program which I made. So in my previous video I told you that I will teach you how you can make one of your own. So this is the video here, and without wasting any time let's begin with the video. So first what you need to do is you need to install your Python programming. So as you can see, I have already installed Python 3.7 version, and this is the latest version in which I am using. And so before writing a program, we need to install some modules. So the first module we need to install is the speech recognition module. So now what is speech recognition module? It is a module which detects your voice. For example, whatever we are saying, our AI needs to understand that voice whichever we are saying. For example, if I say open Google, so it should understand the keywords open Google, and according to it, it should give the output. So first we will import a speech recognition module. So you need to write import speech, then underscore, and write recognition. And then we need to also, so everywhere we cannot write as speech recognition. So we will import the speech recognition as SR, and then we click enter. And then now what we need to make a variable which recognizes our voice. So for here I will use R is equals to SR dot. So here SR means the speech recognition module, and SR dot recognizer. So we write the recognizer here. R is equals to SR dot recognizer, and then brackets, and from here, so we have created a variable that R is equals to SR dot recognizer. So means that it will recognize, we have created the recognized voice. And then after this you need to write with SR dot microphone. So it's microphone, and we need to select the microphone as source. So we have selected our as microphone as source, and then we need to give double colon. And for our understanding of the program has run, so we'll write a print command here. So print, for example, we can write commands, so you can just write commands here, and then just press enter. And then for example, whatever you say, you pause in between sometimes, and there are the you split when you say the words are split. So we need to create a pause. So R dot pause threshold, and then threshold. So here you can give the the value as 1 for me, and then you need to write R dot adjust for ambient, and then ambient noise, and double colon, and you need to enter here your source, whatever source is there, and also the duration. So duration we will give it as let's take the duration as 1. We have taken our duration as 1, and then we need to make a audio variable. So we have created a variable named audio. So this audio is referenced for the computer, because whatever we say it has to listen also. So we will use the r dot listen. R dot listen. So, and then in brackets, source is equals to source. So whatever you say is the source, and then comma, and we have to give a timeout, and then timeout is equals to, for here timeout for this example I will use the timeout as 2, and then you can also take the phrase time limit is equals to, for example, 2, and then the phrase time limit as 2, and then this much, and then we have to create a try method. So we will try out the try method. So here you need to give the variable. So here we'll write the command is equals to r dot recognizer, and then recognize Google brackets audio dot lower. So here we are using the lower case because everything we will say it should be in lower, and all the text should be lower, because if you type because if any of the words are in capitals or in higher case, so it will not able to recognize. So here you will use as dot lower, and then print you said and then here we need to add a command. So we'll add plus command, command command, and plus and then slash and then I have to close here. So here in this I have given the print command, use set plus command, and the command will be in the next line. So this is all, and then from here we need to create an exception also if the program, if it gives an error. So except sr dot unknown value error. So unknown value error, and then we need to do two semicolons, and from here we need to write print, and you can write anything here. For example, I will write sorry I can't hear you, please try again. So this is a simple, I have written a sorry I can't hear you, please try again. And then from here, and what you need to do is, and this is the final output, and only this much is there. So let's revise what we have done. So we have imported speech recognition, we have created the we have created a variable that r is equal to sr.recognizer, and with sr microphone as well. So we use the microphone as the source, and then the next command sir, and then it will pause threshold and everything is there. So come, let's save this program first. So let me save it as any AI bot. Let me save this in desktop, save, and come, let's run this program. So let's say something here. So attribute error recognizer object has no attribute recognizer Google. So there is something error here. So we need to fix this out. So let me check what is the error we have got. So command is equals to r dot recognizer Google audio. So we have got so I have got the error. So it will be not the recognizer, it will be r dot recognize Google audio. So it will be not recognizer, it will be r dot recognize Google audio. Let's run our program again. So let's say something. Hello, how are you? So it was not able to hear us because I was talking on the mic. Let me run my program again. Hello, how are you? So as you can see, it has recognized our voice. How are you? So to make it more perfect, you need to do some changes with this timeout and phrase time limit according to you. So in my previous video, you have seen that I have given so much value according to my microphone and this. So it is based everything on your face time limit and timeout error, that how much timeout error you should give according to you. So if I have given here 2 and I said hello, how are you? So timeout error, it was for 2 seconds. So it was not able to recognize us. Hello, how are you, AI bot? So as you can see, it has recognized only hello, how are you? It has not recognized the AI bot because it is all the game of timeout and phrase time limit. So you need to set this accordingly to your so you need to set this according to yourself, how much phrase time limit and timeout you want. So this was our first tutorial video. So in this video we have learned that how you can recognize your own voice. So only this much only for today's video. So thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also I will be bringing more videos on this, so also hit the bell icon so you get the latest notifications. So till that, bye bye.